BC Ferries to build new vessels in 2 phases. This is from Marine Link, and it was published on the 16th of September 2024. Canadian ferry operator BC Ferries announced it is moving forward with the program to build a series of new vessels for its busiest routes. The company said on Monday it has put out a request for proposals to pre-qualified shipyards for the construction of the first 5 of 7 new vessels in its new Major Vessels project, with contracts expected to be awarded in the spring of 2025, subject to approval from the Ferry Commissioner. The first ship is intended to start service in 2029, with all 5 in service by 2031. The remaining 2 vessels will be built in a later phase, with the aim to award shipbuilding contracts by 2033, which would mean these ships would enter service by approximately 2037. Additionally, work will be planned to extend the operational life of 2 C-class vessels, the Queen of Surrey and the Queen of Oak Bay. The fleet upgrade program marks the company's largest ever capital investment and aims to replace aging vessels, address projected population growth, and better meet customer expectations. Our customers have been very clear. They expect reliable service and affordable fares, and this approach directly addresses both. By adopting a phased strategy, we can responsibly increase capacity and resilience while carefully managing our investments to minimize fare pressures for our customers. Additionally, the flexibility to refine the final 2 vessels based on insights from the initial builds and operational performances ensure we deliver the best possible service for the future. BC Ferries has designed the 2 new vessels in collaboration with naval architecture and ship design firm LMG Marlin to be able to carry up to 360 standard-sized vehicles and 2,100 passengers, marking a significant capacity increase from the 250 to 310 vehicles and 1,200 to 1,500 passengers that the retiring vessels can currently accommodate. They will also be among the largest double-ended ferries in the world, with significantly improved energy efficiency and propulsion systems, designed for both future flexibility and environmentally sustainable operations. If approved by the Ferry Commissioner, these new vessels will allow us to deliver an improved and more flexible travel experience for our passengers. These new vessels will be quieter and cleaner than the vessels they replace, allowing us to achieve a significant reduction in our corporate greenhouse gas emissions. They will move more people and vehicles more efficiently, helping us maintain current schedules and contributing to a reduced wait time. Importantly, the addition of another ship to the fleet will bring a total of 12 vessels on BC's major routes, helping us keep pace with customer demand and projected population growth along the coast. This summer, BC Ferries saw a record-breaking passenger and vehicle traffic, with over 8 million passengers and over 3.1 million vehicles transported between June the 1st and August the 31st. Over the past few years, the company has consistently set new records for passenger volume. Without these new vessels, major route capacity during the peak season will be exceeded by 2035, leading to longer waits for residents and negative impacts on local economies, especially in goods delivery and tourism. 8 million passengers in 3 months. That's a lot of people to move, that's for sure. I don't know how many ferries these guys have in total, but it's a lot. I know people are going to be asking, are they going to be built in Canada? And we won't know that answer until the contracts are awarded. It is possible, but in my opinion, very unlikely. Marine Atlantic in Eastern Canada just had a new ferry built this year, and it was built in China. But it is possible, and hopefully Canadian built would be nice to see, but that'll probably put the price up by a lot. This seems like a good step in the right direction, but it's going to be years before a new vessel hits the water.